Hey everyone, this is Fariel at Techmetric, and today I'm excited to go over our latest new feature, message templates. Techmetric allows you to set up two-way texting for customer communication, which helps avoid the use of personal phones at the shop. However, service writers often find themselves sending the same message over and over to their customers, a redundant process which takes a lot of time. Message templates will help streamline this process and allow you and your service writers to quickly and consistently communicate with your customers. Before we get started, please ensure that you have two-way texting set up because message templates are a part of that tech message feature. So be sure you head to the shop settings on the left menu and then select the integration tab to enable the tech message feature. Once you have tech message enabled, select the message icon on the top right of your screen, select the three-dot menu, and then select message templates. To add a new custom template, click the new template button here on the bottom left. Start by giving your template a name that you can easily remember, and then enter your message in the box below. Real quick, let me add an example. Once we're happy with how this looks, we're going to go ahead and click Save. Since you're also on the scale tier with the tech message enabled, you can also configure default message templates here to the right. These include messages that are sent to the customer when you are sharing the inspection, the estimate, or the invoice. Now let's take a look on how we can use the custom template messages. So in this example, I'm just navigating to my declined job report, and let's just say I had declined a job for the engine air filter element. I'm going to go ahead and open tech message and search for this customer's name. And now you'll see that there's a new button on the bottom right in the chat window for message templates. When we click on this, we'll see all of our custom message templates, and if I have a lot of messages, you can easily scroll through this menu. When you open this menu, you will notice that the cursor is already in the search bar, so you can automatically start searching for your message template, and then you can go ahead and click return or enter on your keyboard, or you can select it from this menu. Once we add it, you'll notice that we have pre-populated the customer's name, the shop name, just like we wanted. And then in here, I'm just going to add the service that they had declined. Once we feel good about this message, you can go ahead and click enter or click this blue arrow to send the message. Now that we've reviewed how to use the template messages, let's take a look at how our default messages work today. So I'm going to go ahead and open an RO real quick and then click the share icon on the top right and click share estimate. Once I select SMS, you'll notice that there is now a message field here with the preview of what the template message is, so you can adjust it as needed on an RO basis. This message field will be available to all shops on every tier of Techmetric, but saving this template at a high level will only be available in the template message feature, which is on the scale plan. Thank you so much for joining me today and learning about message templates. Please reach out to support if you have any questions or concerns. Have a wonderful day.